We got 15 likes in the last video. I told you guys I wanted 30. I divided 30 by 2 and boom, we got 15 likes. I think it's like at 16, but look, we got it. The Asus Rog Azoth 75% wireless keyboard with the OLED display. Nothing too crazy about it. Let's get her opened up, boys. Boom. Let's see it, boys. Ooh, oh my, that's a sleek logo, bro. You know this means business. Almost spending 250 bucks plus taxes, $280. Let's see what's inside. Oh, what is this? Okay. Welcome to Republic of Gamers. Your RGB, I don't care. Oh, that's creamy. Oh, wow. This is actually packaged really nicely. How would I take this out? Oh, wow. It came in like a cloth. The presentation so far is really nice. Oh my God. It's like looking at your baby for the first time without trying not to drop it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that. Very sleek. Holy crap. Oh yeah, that kind of looks dope. Let me hear it. Oh, that feels premium. Wow. Ooh, lowering the brightness a little bit. You guys, look at that. With the gray and the white accent. Let's hear a little bit of it. Wow, that already sounds amazing. As you can see, you got some plastic on the back plate of it. Let's check the back. Oh, it looks like a GPU, bro. Let me take this plastic off. Got your little slit right here. Pull it off. Oh, wow. What is that? Look at how sleek that looks, bros. You got your little stand-up modules right here in the back, your grips. Wow, that feels really nice. Let's put that to the side real quick. We're gonna connect it in a little bit. Let's see what else is in this box. Take this piece of cardboard out of here. Throw that to the side. What is this? Whoa, more logo, okay. Thing right here. Let's see what's inside of this box right here. Get that slit open. Pull it out just like so. Okay, but it's like this. Now let's see. Ooh, okay, I think it's supposed to be on the other side like that. Wow. So let's see what it comes with. This is to take off the key cap right here. Whoa, this is steel or stainless steel. That's to take off the actual switch itself. What does this doohickey? I guess that's where you put extra switches on. I don't know. Now what is this? Oh, my bad. Whoa, what is this? Whoa, look, I don't know what this is, but this looks dope. It looks important, so we're gonna put it back. Now what is this thing right here? What is this? It's like a, ew, what is that? Ew, wait, this feels greasy as hell. Don't know what this is. If you guys know what that's for, let me know in the comments below. Oh, okay. This is the wire to obviously charge the keyboard. Looks pretty sleek. It's grayish. Comes with his little band, Type-C. Oh, and you got extra switches here. Whoa, that's dope. Yeah, 3 extra switches in case if you lose one. No stickers? Wow, they did not provide stickers this time. $250 and no stickers. Let's put that all to the side. Now, what everybody came to see. The keyboard itself. Let's try to turn it on. Oh, look at that. I didn't even know you had buttons on the back either. What does that say? Oh, we got it turned on. Oh my God, wait a second. That looks so dope, actually. Ooh, that actually looks so sleek. That's amazing. You got this little, wow. Is that actually OLED? That actually is OLED, although blacks are truly black. Whoa, what does this button do? Or what does this do? Is this for the wireless? Oh, look at that. You got your little USB to your computer so it becomes truly wireless. Oh my God, the colors are super nice. We're gonna do a type test in a little bit. You see you got your little battery right there, how much battery it has. The logo, could turn down your sound up or down. Overall, this keyboard is really sleek. I feel like you guys are gonna love this keyboard. Look, I'm gonna have the link in the description if you guys decide to try out this keyboard. If I was you guys, I would give it a try. Let's do the typing test to see how, or the sound test of the keyboard to see how it sounds. The keyboard is nice. It's nothing too crazy, you know. I wouldn't be paying $280 for a keyboard like this. If you are looking for something like premium quality with a not really so useful OLED display, then this is definitely the keyboard for you. I think I got Cherry MX Brown switches. I think that's what they are, but I'll obviously correct you guys with some text if I'm wrong, you know. Overall, very nice keyboard. Very stealthy too. I love the build of this keyboard. Overall, if you guys have the money, get it. Why not, right? It's a really decent keyboard. I'm gonna test it out for a couple weeks, and I'm gonna keep doing like a review, like my 3-day review, my week review, and then my last 2-week review, and if it's worth getting or not. But I hope you guys love this quick little unboxing of the keyboard. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care and have a lovely day. Thank you guys.